While working with large data sets, you will often find that while you are trying to drag down a formula or apply a new formula, that the values are not being calculated. So let me give you an example. As you can see, the serial number of this cell is 5204 plus 1, the previous cell plus 1. But when you try to drag it down, as you can see, the formulas are getting updated. They are not wrong. But what happens is the same value is being pasted from top to bottom without them actually being calculated. And the same happens with other formulas also. As you will pull it down, pull the formulas down, and you will see that it's 460. But you know for a fact that this particular amount should not be 460. It should be something else. It should be 462 in this case. So how do you know what happened here and how to fix that? So for fixing it is pretty easy. You go into formulas, you go into calculation options, and you click on automatic. As soon as I will click on this automatic, all the formulas will be recalculated and it will be set to automatic so you can work on your sheet normally. As you can see, now it's 5206 to 5214. If I try to drag it down, the data are going down normally. Now if I turn calculation options off and I try to pull it down, it's not calculating anymore. So this is often done in large sheets where there are a lot of formulas or a lot of lookups and countifs mainly that slow down a sheet too much so that it doesn't recalculate at every step and only recalculates when you need them to. So if the calculation is set to manual, in this example, you will see a calculate button here. So if you just click on calculate, it will calculate the data for you. You do not need to go into to set the data to automatic. So the issue with this is oftentimes while working with large data sets and while you're in filtered data with working with a small part of the whole data, this step is very easy to look over. So what you can do is you go into calculation options, you right click automatic and you click add to quick access toolbar. You go into calculation options again, you right click manual and add to quick access toolbar. Now you have a visual indicator so that you know if the calculation is set to automatic or not. So, so if you just click automatic, the data is calculated automatically. And if you click on manual, which you hardly will need to do, but if you click on manual, the data will not be calculated and it won't show a indicator here every time you select a data that says calculating and some percentage here.